Welcome to Kanopya, the first European smart cloud management solution developed by Hedera Technology. We centralize the IT stack management and create the link between resources and application requests, making sure SLAs are respected. In this video case study, we're working on an existing infrastructure with a pre-configured IaaS. Kanopya manages both hardware infrastructures and blades, launches and runs them automatically during their whole life cycle. On the screen, see how simple it's to create a host on Kanopya. Your new host will be then included in your available resource pool. By the way, note that it's possible to add and register a Cisco UCS directly. Kanopya is a non-intrusive solution. No agents are being deployed. Information feedback can be either collected by SMNP or existing tools from the client's infrastructure. Here, a Netapp NAS has already been registered, and you can see how the process works on the screen. Our objective is to manage different types of storage, such as EMC, Netapp, Dell, and to manage them as one storage resource pool. After registering the Netapp NAS, Kanopya creates dynamically new disks for all compute infrastructures. It can either use NFS, iSCSI, and fiber channel protocols. Automated disk management within Kanopya enables quick hypervisors and VM deployments without any human interaction. As you are creating your storage, you can define a policy that Kanopya will apply in the storage management. Kanopya also manages IaaS resources. The solution creates and deploys IaaS easily for more business responsiveness and proactivity. Look how Kanopya and Cisco UCS synchronize together. As we start a new IaaS, we can see that Kanopya deploys a physical host. We see it booting on the Cisco UCS interface that at the same time a workflow is launched on Kanopya. Typically, when deploying a hypervisor on an infrastructure, a master image will be chosen and considered as a template for each hypervisor. For example, we can also automatically create the LUN on the Netapp from the template image registered. You can check on the Cisco screen that the starting hosts are configured and have two interfaces without any VLANs. They have a network interface to which an IP address has been allocated. Hypervisors connect to the SAN in order to boot their local disks. To get the best occupation rate within your servers, we manage different IaaS like Open-Nebula, OpenStack, vSphere, etc., either as one resource pool or independently. To optimize IaaS management, as you'll see it in our next video, Kanopya has sharp orchestration engines such as Capacity Manager Engine and Rules Engine, with computational intelligence to help in decision-making, problem-solving, and guaranteeing SLAs. For instance, Kanopya's Capacity Management Engine correlates a wide-ranging information to rapidly respond and self-adapt to services and businesses' demand. Kanopya manages system image templates to generate dedicated system images depending on the host configuration. Kanopya also manages kernels to prevent issues for some particular hardware which do not fit in generic systems. Here, a configured service instance is about to start. Kanopya swiftly shifts VLANs from a host to another while synchronizing with the Cisco UCS. A single interface is needed. What's happening in Kanopya is also in the Cisco UCS. Kanopya goes through the UCS to access the nexus and collect Cisco switches configuration. The network configuration shows that each VM has 3 interfaces with an IP address collected from the IP address pool. See in the network policy interface, 3 interfaces are now connected to different VLANs. Once Kanopya has deployed a VM, do see that Cisco Hypervisor's second interface is linked to these three VLANs. Kanopya has dynamically reconfigured the hypervisor to connect these VLANs to the VM. Kanopya manages dynamically the virtual machines and enables automated provisioning and deployments. Our unique scalability management capability enables you to hot add or remove CPU and RAM and create on-demand policies to adapt your infrastructure to your activity and seasonality. Kanopya will run a certain number of workflows to provision new hypervisors respecting your policies and deploying service templates. We access and pilot every single virtual machine directly on a hypervisor. We are able, for instance, to create a new VM or remove it, live migrate, which means move from a machine to another, concentrate multiple VMs to eventually remove hypervisors, over-provision machines depending on an overload ratio, size, and resize them. Not only Kanopya's Capacity Manager engine optimizes the IaaS infrastructure, but also prevents from excessive VM resizing. Our monitoring and orchestration system limits VM sprawling, detecting sleeping VMs, integrating them in the free resource pool, and relocating them. Kanopya deals with virtual machines during their entire life cycle. Kanopya was designed to be highly protected. Our rights management tool can be customized according to your company's process, making sure users access only what they're meant to. Thank you very much for your attention and book a demo right now on our website. Enjoy Kanopya.